Hello everyone. Today I will teach you how to do this simple pendulum infographic sectioning. The main theme here is basically how many subtopics that we want to represent in PowerPoint we can represent in a simple pendulum infographic smart art. Go to the home bar, select the new slide, insert blank slide. Now insert a template which I'll give the link in the description. You can download. It is a Microsoft simple pendulum template. Then now go to the insert bar, insert the normal rectangle, not the rounded corner rectangle, and adjust and align the borders and the corners very properly, because this rectangle will turn into borders in a meanwhile. Then go to the format shape fill as no fill, line as gradient line. I always recommend to keep the gradient line as 3 bars, and after keeping the 3 bars we need to adjust the 3 bars accordingly. That is, the first bar as 0 percentage, second bar as 50 percentage, and third bar as the 100 percentage, and we need to add the colors of your choice, but I'm adding as the pink, black and yellow. Okay, now weight as 3 pointer. Always choose 3 pointers or 4 pointers. Now we need to select the dashes as the last type. Okay, now insert the text bar where the main title appears, and insert the title as simple pendulum infographic sectioning, because we are focusing on the number of sections that we need to insert in the smart art. Basically the number of sections is subtopics is 4 subtopics we are inserting. Now also, that after inserting we need to choose the font color, font type and font size. I'm leaving it to you because it's your choice which font color, which font type or which font size you want to choose. But make sure that after choosing that, the text, that is the title, should be aligned uh, in the center. Okay, align in the center. Now go to the animation, swipe from the left after previous. Now 0.05 as the uh, duration. Okay, now keep it as first, because first title should appear and then the simple pendulum should move. Go to the home bar again. Now we need to insert the subtopics, 4 subtopics, and animate the 4 subtopics accordingly. Okay, now before animating that we need to choose the colors of the circles of the simple pendulum, irrespective of what colors you choose, but it should be attractive and creative. This is what we want. Now glow as dark green, I'm sorry, 8 pointer. Dark green, choose your favorite colors, but I'm choosing as dark green 8 pointer glow. Okay, now select this, go to the format shape, and now choose the solid line as yellow. Solid line as yellow, and it's perfect. Now first circle is completed. Then choose the second circle. After choosing the second circle, go to the format shape, and then solid line as black, and then close and shape fill as purple as shape fill. Now close the animation pane, and then glow as a dark green 8 pointer. Now select third circle, shape fill as yellow, and then shape outline as black, and glow as dark green 0.8, 8 pointer dark green. Now the simple pendulum is absolutely perfect, attractive. Now insert the text box from the insert bar. Now type the text as introduction. Basically, we are choosing a topic, for example, cybersecurity. So first, what we'll give in a seminar, introduction. Then we'll give the details, applications, and then conclusion. So choose your favorite font color, font type, and font size. But make sure that after choosing these font color, adjust it very properly and align it to the center of the simple pendulum. Now go to the animations and fade in. Now select the animation with previous. Okay, go to the animation pane. Select the duration as 2, 2 and the delay as 1. Okay, now play. Title will appear and then introduction will fade in. Okay, now select that and then add animation and fade out. Okay, now go to the animation pane, select the animation and after previous, delay as 1, duration as 0.01. Okay, play it, title will appear, introduction will appear and then fade out. Okay, close the animation pane and slideshow for better understanding. Okay, disappear. Okay, that's perfect. Now similarly, we need to add 3 more subtopics such as details, applications, and conclusion. After duplicating, add the details. Then drag and align and adjust it very properly. Go to the animations, first select none animation and then add the animation as fade. Then select after previous and set the duration as 2 and delay as 4. Okay, set it accordingly. Duplicate this. I mean, we need to add the fade out animation. Okay, fade out animation we need to add. Animation pane and set it after previous. Now set the duration and delay as I am setting. Okay, because even a single animation mistake can cause the entire disturbance for the whole animation. Now we need to add the third subtopics called as subtopic. I'm sorry. Okay, applications. Align it properly to the center and then add fade in. Fade in and then animation type after previous and select the duration as 2 and delay as 2. Okay, add animation, fade out after previous, 0.01 duration and delay as we'll take it as 10. 10 or 15, it's up to you, but 10 would be better. 10. Okay, it's perfect. Close the animation pane. Now the last subtopics that we add is the conclusion. Is the conclusion. Okay, none animation, then fade in animation, then after previous, animation pane, set the animation duration as 2, delay as 2, then add animation, fade out. Okay, set as after previous, duration as 0.1 and delay as 2. from current slide. Now it's perfect. Introduction will appear, then now disappear, then details will appear and then disappear, then applications, then the conclusion. Now what we need to do here is just click on the simple pendulum, bring it to the front. Okay, now current slide is introduction. Now it will disappear, then details. This is the way how to do simple pendulum infographic. Hope you like it.